Hey YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. We got some more from Amazon. So, doing an unboxing here. I've been having trouble getting my tractor started again. You guys saw my winterization. You saw me do it. And I had Stabil in the gas tank. I don't know, man. It's just, it turns and it'll sputter. It's just not staying. I don't know if it's not getting air. I think it's getting gas because I'm getting exhaust, but anyway, I don't know if it's a strong enough spark either. So I'm like, well, I'll try a new spark plug. I didn't like the spark plug sockets that I had, which was that many. And I, you know, the spark plug wrench itself, whatever. So hey, now here's a chance for me to justify buying spark plug sockets. So poking around on Amazon, I wanted a spark plug socket set, and I found some that were like 15 or 20 bucks, but I never heard of the brand. Somewhere I heard of the brand, they were 40 or 50 bucks or $12 for one, and I'm like, eh. So then I kept looking. The DeWalt 15-piece accessory kit for 1/4 and 3/8 inch. I got it on Amazon, 26 bucks for this bad boy. When I was going to pay 20 bucks just for one of these sockets, spark plug sockets, yeah, I'm happy with that. So, I really like the other DeWalt set that I picked up. So I was like, yeah, you know what, I might have a little issue finding room in my box to have these right next to each other, which would be great. Certainly won't have them stacked. Will I? I don't know. Let me think about that. But, I like the packaging. I liked the other set, so I figured I'd pick this set up as well. Geez, boy, they really... When I say I like the packaging, I meant I like the toolbox packaging, not necessarily the retail packaging. I'm getting a call. Let's see, is it important? It's the wife. Sit tight. I'm back. Okay, so the packaging. I really like the packaging. I like these click lock things, shatter resistant, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Drill adapter. Yeah, I got that. Removable inner tray. I might actually take out the inner tray on both of them. But yeah, I was really impressed with the other set. And so this, I mean, it's sharp. It's really well put together. I mean, they're nice. It's, you can get to it. It feels really solid. The knurling on these are really nice, actually. Now these spark plug sockets. This is a 13/16. Really sharp. Got some knurling on it. They are not magnetic, from what I read. They have the gasket. Right? Can you guys see that? There you go. They got the gasket. So. If you want magnetic, which I kind of was wanting, but you know, whatever, for the price. They got 5/8, and this is 13/16, and this one is 3/4. The gravity of them, they really got some weight to it. I mean, look at that bolster. You could just throw a wrench on that too. That's pretty nice. I like that. And then the universals. I don't really need the universal. Looks like that one was in backwards. And I don't really need the drill adapters, but hey, I'm constantly going from one place to another to find my drill adapters. I was doing it the other day as I was trying to reassemble something, and having more of these, I'm happy. Although they're like $1 at Harbor Freight, so that's not a huge selling point. And then the 3/8 to 1/4 and 1/4 to 3/8, which I don't know why you do that. I don't know, I guess if you got, I don't know, whatever. Look, it's a really nice set. It's really well put together. I'm really impressed with the gravity on these socket, these spark plug sockets. That's nice. I really like that. Anyway, for 26 bucks, I don't think you can beat it. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I'm loving these DeWalt sets. I'll show you when I put it in the box finally, how I do all that. I'm gonna do a toolbox tour as soon as I get a nice sunny day and I get some room. I've been clearing stuff out of the garage, doing some honey-do list projects too, which I suppose I should do a video about. I don't know, the lighting was terrible, so I couldn't really get filming very well on that, but Tell me what you guys think. Throw it in the comments below if you have experience with this. I'm curious what you think, specifically around the universals and the spark plug sockets. That's all I had. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. This is a short one. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur, and sometimes I just buy DeWalt because when in doubt, go DeWalt. I don't know. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a great day.